And all of that is documented in, PDFs and, notes where everybody uses their own vernacular. But, if you can start to use large language type models, text mining, all that sort of stuff to pull those things together and then start to pull out the themes, I think that's where you're going to start to get some really interesting insights. And because that's based on your own internal data, then you start to get a little bit more of your proprietary insights. And that's where I think you can get. So what the underwriter might see then is, okay, risks like this one, based on what we've seen in the past, you should really be thinking about putting an exclusion in for this type of, characteristic of the risk. Or here's where you might want to set the, attachment point or propose these self-insured retentions or deductibles or something like that, or a policy limits. That's really interesting. But I do think that those sorts of things are going to take time, just because it's still a lot of disparate information that sits in a lot of different places. And you got to, have the modeling that thinks through what that means and then figure out how do I get that in the hands of my underwriters in a way that they trust it and use it.
Do you think that technology has made this a new competitive arena, or is it the same competitive arena just with a different set of tools?